I finally got my Bambalooni.
I never make promises, 'cause
I know I told you I'd show you what it's like, but I couldn't help but dig in first. Here, can you pull that paper down a little? Thank you. See? It's kind of like a donut, covered in sugar. If you've seen any of our videos from our place in Halifax, a lot of them have a painting in the back, picture in the back, a piece of art in the back that we struggled to get back on our last trip here. And ironically enough, we found, or not ironic, this is probably the same place I bought last time, but there's a very similar one at this store, and I'll show you in a sec. Right there. I tried to convince Dali that we should ask how much it is to see if it's cheaper now that there's like not a lot of tourism, not a lot of people stopping by, but that would just get us into a conversation that would last forever, trying to like negotiate for us to get this painting, and we already had a serious discussion about how we can't bring any more luggage. Which, a little disclaimer here, because when we had the conversation in the car, I kind of was pouty about it because I have the checkerboards or the palette. Sorry, I got distracted by something Dali wanted to show me. What I was saying is, in the car when he said that we couldn't buy anything, I threw a bit of a little like hissy fit. What? I threw a bit of a little hissy fit because, I don't know, I didn't think it was fair to think I would come out of here with something big. However, he did a good job in having the conversation before we got here, because since then I've seen a gazillion things that I would like to bring home that are all way too big or too fragile. Good on ya. I guess you know me better than I expected.